Are you looking for the best gaming keypads? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gaming keypads on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Redon K585 VT One-Handed RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The 42 keys of the Redon K585 VT come with either tactile or clicky switches, so you only enter a command when you absolutely mean to. 7 of them are dedicated to multi-input macros, and there are 5 RGB modes to choose from. The K585 keyboard gets rid of those extra keys and keeps the most useful ones in a slim and portable package. All of your keyboard action keys are in one convenient place. No need to worry about misclicked keys. The upgraded socket is now available on Redon OneHanded keyboard, with more ways to mod and more fun. The Redon brown switches deliver soft little bump tactile feedback with lower noise, same tactile but quieter. Play to win with 7 programmable macro keys, binding multiple commands and activating them instantly is simple and quick. Assign single or multiple keystrokes to any macro key to save precious time in the middle of battle. 5 RGB backlit modes are selectable with 16.8 million colors. Glorious and amazing lighting effects let the light of victory wreak havoc in the dark. Positioned for uninterrupted gameplay and ready for your mouse, headset adapter, or other USB device. Ergonomically designed with a detachable wrist rest section connected by magnets, the wrist rest offers great support to make use more comfortable. Number 2. GATRON GATRON Red Switches Programmable Gaming Keypad. Though it doesn't have any non-standard buttons or look very fancy, the GATRON is actually a great choice, as it's especially well made and dependable. It's offered with noisy, tactile cherry blue switches, or the quieter, linear GATRON Reds. 43 programmable keys and 8 programmable macro-based hardware. Program all 43 keys or create complex macros with the configuration software to take full command of your computer. Perfect not only for gamers, but also for so many other types of users, including designers and video editors. Built-in MCU, after keyboard keys be set up, it will be automatically stored in keyboard's MCU, and no need reset the keyboard, even replace the computer. Support 9 kinds key program types: normal/FN, shift/mouse combination, burst/round robin/ continue, jitter, special functions / disable key types, different key type with different function. GATRON Red Switches. GATRON Red Switches with trigger travel of 2 mm, plus full anti-ghosting ensures great feel and accuracy. Portable Mini Keypad. Portable Mini Keypad, effectively save desktop space. You can connect the keypad in a 104-key keyboard with the same computer at the same time. They will not interfere with each other. Number 3. Aula One-Handed Gaming Keyboard. With a unique layout that brings the entire function row within striking distance, the Aula 109 can make it easy to activate complex combos in your favorite MMO. It features an ergonomic alignment and 8 macros that are close enough to press without picking up your hand. Customizable LED backlight. Aula One-Hand Gaming Keyboard comes with 5 pre-programmed cool backlighting modes, and you can also easily customize your own LED backlight. Programmable key. Get an infinite number of commands right at your fingertips with 8 programmable keys. Bind all your preferred skills, macros and hotkeys for a highly personalized gaming experience. Blue Switch Mechanical Keyboard. Blue switches with strong sense of rhythm bring you the best mechanical experience. Ultra-long lifetime mechanical keys, service life of the buttons up to 50 million times. Ergonomic design with palm rest. Ergonomic design with palm rest for professional gamers reduce fatigue. Gaming keyboard switches to sleep mode after being idle for 10 minutes and press any key to reactivate the keyboard. Widely compatible. Aula One-Handed Keyboard is compatible with Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS X. Number 4. Corsair VX2 Aim Switch Gaming Keyboard and Mouse. One of the rare wireless models, the Corsair VX2 Aim Switch uses a 2.4 GHz dongle for low latency input. Its keys have an actuation distance of just 1.2 mm, and it comes with an ultralight and high-precision laser mouse. Corsair VX2 is 2nd-gen game keyboard and mouse, featuring individually programmable backlit keys and color options in different effect, which build your own unique keypad. Corsair VX2 aim switch supports almost all mainstream consoles: Xbox One, Xbox Series X/S, Xbox One S, Xbox One X, PS4, PS4 Slim, PS4 Pro, Nintendo Switch, Switch Lite, Windows PC. Support games include Call of Duty, Apex Legends, Fortnite, PUBG, Rainbow Six Siege, Overwatch. Corsair Game Keyboard is wireless one-handed mechanical keypad with 36 TTC red switches, enabling up to 50 million keystroke lifespan and being superior for speed and accuracy. Corsair VX2 aim switch has uniquely designed 3D joystick, which can be used as D-pad or left joystick, reaching different operation experience. Gaming keypad up to 7 simultaneous key presses. Even in the heated and highly commanding FPS games, there is no need to worry. Corsair GM500 RGB wired mouse equipped with PMW3360 laser gaming sensor and achieves high precision with 7-level adjustable DPI, 400/800/1600/2400/3200/6400/12000. Number 5. Logitech G13 Programmable Game Board. Designed for serious gamers, the Logitech G13 Game Board has programmable per-key backlighting to help you find the right buttons in the dark, as well as an LCD readout for displaying vital statistics and in-game communications. Naturally contoured design follows the natural shape of your hand and fingers for increased comfort during long sessions. Onboard memory lets you program up to 5 ready-to-play profiles, so you can take your personal preferences with you. Customizable backlighting lets you choose your colors and easily locate the right key in low-light conditions or lights-out play. 25 programmable keys allow you to assign keyboard functions to suit your style of play and create macros on the fly. The high-visibility game panel LCD displays game stats, system info, and communications from fellow players.